Maybe you be a shark.
Yes! Yes!
Since Friday, things have gotten a little bit, well, pretty much the same.
Terrorist!
Oh my god.
I guess I could say as I was being chaotic, they were being a little psychotic. So, it was a little hard to keep up with them.
Say something to the camera.
What's up?
No, we can't do this.
This is Yoni's TV show.
Oh, this is Yoni's TV show. Hey, Yoni, what's up?
PG. I bring a camera for one day and everyone gets like, oh. You're in a bad mood, Kelly. It's your last day, come on.
Ah! That was me.
No. Yeah, you guys definitely have issues.
Definitely issues. So, give back.
This is how crazy my life is. It's controversy. It's what they want to see.
What?
Say that again. I missed it. I think we all kind of knew that it was Kelly's last day, and we kind of kept that in our minds, and it was really sad. It's just really hard to think about it.
Hey, I saw your project. I said I can tell her
Isn't it good?
It's got the most Tracy. Everything we do, yeah, staff a little Tracy. I'm kidding.
Way to go, Kayla. Way to make her feel bad.
I'm kidding.
Way to ruin her day. I'm just kidding.
It's Mr. Shell, not the principal.
We don't like him. This
I'm gonna
is
put
Kelly. She's a clone. She's going away, which is very sad, so we've got to make another copy of her.
I think for everyone, it's kind of like, it's kind of hard to imagine it, like, to think that Kelly's leaving until it really happens. And it's just, you know, oh, okay, it's gonna happen, but it doesn't feel real, and you don't really, like, feel the badness of it until it actually happens. I hate her ex.
I don't like her either.
My mom's in real life twice. My mom says she has no body.
Do you think Gwen Stefani's pretty?
What's the funny
Yeah,
story?
she's really, really pretty. Mr. Otieno!
I like Josh coming back.
That's it.
Is that a good, like, sound capture?
Let's go on the highlights.
Yeah, is that a good sound capture?
Who's here for the highlights?
Huh?
Me and Josh are gonna get a boom mic.
Like this one?
Oh, really?
Yeah, we're putting our money together to get a
I
boom
like
mic.
this dress the best.
So we can, like, do better stuff in the recording studio.
Yeah, there's a bunch of people gossiping and stuff, so whatever.
It says, will Brad find that storybook ending with Jolie, who has admitted, I always fall in love when I'm working on a film, and she's about to start a new movie on August 1st, Matt Damon.
That was easy.
That test was hard.
I know Spanish.
Masa, just take a guess. Just take a guess.
No.
Masa,
Masa's still taking her exam.
It's one question.
Okay, now Masa had one question for Mr. Gracia. And we finished her test like within 30 minutes of when we got it. And she took the whole like 1.5 hours. It was really funny. But yeah, she just takes her time with tests, whatever. But it was really funny because we were like, where's Mr. Gracia? Mr. Gracia never came because we had like 12 questions and it was ridiculous. Well, that was a stupid test.
Well, it was hard.
I knew
The B part, you know, was hard.
Yeah.
I knew everyone.
The beginning was a little bit harder.
I just sat next to you.
I did it off my back or something like that. It was pretty nasty.
Oh, good. Oh, that's a keeper.
It's Shelby.
Now I am. Mason, what are you eating?
Turn that frying upside down.
Cheerios. Is it still cold?
So cold.
Really? That's really cool, Mason.
Okay, long story short, Josh hijacked my camera and went around recording everything and everyone he saw, so it was a bunch of random stuff.
Oh, there you go.
God! Look at the pretty laugh.
It hurts.
It does hurt.
Where's my knife shot? There it is.
Josh, thank you for the most stupidest footage ever. Yeah, I feel a lot better now.
Yeah. Right. Where'd Yoni go? I want to get his back now.
Josh Jones was kidding with them. That wasn't the stupidest footage ever. That was the second most footage ever. The stupidest footage ever was from last week.
Where'd Yoni go? Hey, who's seen Yoni? Who's seen Yoni? Yoni. Say back to the camera. Thanks.
I studied like, change my mind about school. I hate school. I never want to come back here again. Lenny, are you tied up there?
Hey, Yoni, take a picture of me, Yoni.
The day was finally coming to an end, and well, after getting our English grade, I knew it was probably time to go.
You're leaving? Yeah, you didn't know. I mean, you knew. Thank you. You have a good time here. Cheers.
I won't.
You got an 82. What'd you get? You got a 1? Bye, guys. I love you. Bye. Bye. You got a 1? I got 81.
Sheldon's going down. Just joking.
Juliet?
Not till senior year. Senior year, I'm coming back. Mess y'all up.
Nobody wants to have their lives change, but I mean, it has to happen, and it's gonna be hard, but you know, change happens.
Everyone.
This is Kelly's artwork. Bye, see you later.
Where are you going?
Oh, she's not coming. Bye! I'm actually not leaving it. I'm going to Kelly's car.
Oh, guess what? What?
Now, like, we're out of school driving home, that's it, you know, it's the end. It's like, you know, what's gonna happen next, you know? It's just, it's kind of different for me, because, actually it's not different because a lot of my friends leave, but...
Morgan. Yeah. Lindsay was like,
Huh?
Mom, on white pieces of paper, without spacing, and writing smaller than I normally do, I wrote 4 pages for art.
Bye, Kelly. I'm dropping my stuff. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Everybody. Bye.
Bye.
We'll miss you, Kelly. Have fun in New Jersey. Thank you for all the times we had. Somebody shoot me.
Stop laughing, this is dramatic.
I think this is probably like my third really good friend that's leaving like this, and it's just really, really hard every time. And it never really gets easier, it's just always, you know, constant struggle.
Yoni, the boy with no friends.